Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. This is the fourth set of the average round for grade 5 pupils. In the average round, you are given 30 seconds to answer each question. Write your answer on a piece of paper before the time expires. Let us begin with question number 1. The surface area of a rectangular box is 592 squared centimeters. The edges of two faces are 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters. What is the other dimension? Go. Time is up. The answer is 12 centimeters. Question number 2. Lynn tried to sell a blouse with 10% profit. Not sold, she decided to sell it at a certain discount. If it is sold, she still has a 4.5% profit. How many percent is the discount? Go. Time is up. The answer is 5%. Question number 3. The average of four numbers is 67.5. When one number was removed, the average became 65. What number was removed? Go. Time is up. The answer is 75. Question number 4. A new rectangle was formed when the perimeter of an original rectangle with width 3 centimeters was doubled. If the area of the new rectangle is 60 squared centimeters, what is the length of the original rectangle? Go. Time is up. The answer is 5 centimeters. Last question for this round. Jane has 144 pesos and Ria has 152 pesos. They decided to contribute money to buy flowers costing 210 pesos for their mother. If Jane contributes 2/3 of her money, what fraction of her money will Ria contribute? Go. Time is up. The answer is 3/4. Did you get all 5? This time, let us have the solutions to the 30-second questions. Question number 1. The surface area of a rectangular box is 592 square centimeters. The edges of two faces are 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters. What is the other dimension? Here is our suggested solution. The formula for the surface area of a rectangular box or a rectangular prism is equal to 2 times the sum of the products, length times width times height, and length times height. Let the length be 10 centimeters and the width be 8 centimeters. Let us substitute these values. Since the surface area is 592 square centimeters, then we have 2 times 10 times 8 plus 8 times the height plus 10 times the height. Dividing both sides by 2, then we will get 296 is equal to 10 times 8 is 80. 8 times the height plus 10 times the height is equal to 18 times the height, or 18h. Subtract both sides by 80, we have 216 is equal to 18 times the height. Now let us divide both sides of this resulting equation by 18. We will get the third dimension h as equal to 12. Hence, the other dimension is 12 centimeters. Question number 2. Lynn tried to sell a blouse with a 10% profit. Not sold, she decided to sell it at a certain discount. If it is sold, she still has a 4.5% profit. How many percent is the discount? Here is our suggested solution. Let P be the original price of the blouse. Then, for a 10% profit, 1.1 of P is the intended selling price. Also, Lynn decided to sell it at a certain discount after not being sold. So, 1.045 of P is the actual selling price. From here, let us get the discount price. That will be D is equal to 1.1 of P minus 1.045 of P. And this is equal to 0.055 of P, the original price. To get the percent discount, let us divide the discount price, 0.055 of P, over 1.1 of P. P over P is 1. And let us multiply both numerator and denominator of this fraction by 1,000. We will get 55 over 1,100. 55 over 1,100 is equal to 1 over 20, and this is equal to 5%. Question number 3. The average of 4 numbers is 67.5. When one number was removed, the average became 65. What number was removed? Here is our suggested solution. If we have 4 numbers whose average is 67.5, then the total of these 4 numbers is 4 times 67.5. Let n be the number that was removed So we subtract n from the total 4 times 67.5. Now we will get the average of this resulting number. There are only 3 numbers, so divided by 3, and the new average is 65. Let us multiply both sides by 3, and 4 times 67.5 is 270 minus n. 3 times 65 is 195. To get the value of n, we subtract 270 minus 195. Then n, the number that was removed, is equal to 75. Question number 4. A new rectangle was formed when the perimeter of an original rectangle with width 3 centimeters was doubled. If the area of the new rectangle is 60 squared centimeters, what is the length of the original rectangle? Here is our suggested solution. Let L be the length of the original rectangle, and we know that the width is 3 centimeters. If the perimeter of this rectangle is doubled, then the width will be 6 centimeters and the length will be twice the original length. Since the area of this new rectangle is 60 squared centimeters, then we have 60 is equal to 6 times 2L. Dividing both sides by 6, we have 10 is equal to twice the length. Divide both sides by 2, then we will get the original length as equal to 5 centimeters. Question number 5. Jane has 144 pesos and Ria has 152 pesos. They decided to contribute money to buy flowers costing 210 pesos for their mother. If Jane contributes 2/3 of her money, what fraction of her money will Ria contribute? Here is our suggested solution. If we let n be the fraction of Ria's money, then we have the equation as 144, that is Jane's money, times 2/3 plus 152 times n equals 210 pesos. 144 times 2/3 is equal to 48 times 2, so that is 96. Then let us subtract 96 from both sides of this equation. We'll have 152 times n is equal to 210 minus 96. So we have 152 of n is equal to 114. So we have the fraction 114 over 152. Divide the numerator and denominator by their GCF, which is 38. We will get 3/4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos.